Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of Principles of Food Science. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with Principles of Food Science includes the lab manual, digital textbook, and a companion website. The companion website is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Principles of Food Science instructs students on the integral role that science has in producing, processing, preparing, and preserving safe food for a growing population. The important ways that chemistry, microbiology, and physics apply to food components, digestion, metabolism, and complex food systems are reviewed using real-world examples. Students learn evidence-based principles that can be applied to a future food science career and to creative, nourishing cooking techniques. The requirements and opportunities for obtaining a food science-related career are explored, as well as the economic impact of this career path. Hands-on lab activities to build skills and knowledge are included in every chapter. The instructional design of this textbook includes student-focused learning tools to help students succeed. Under the microscope, Careers in Food Science features explore careers in food science, as well as information on education, training, work environment, job outlook, and income. Unit interviews introduce students to real-life professionals who have made a career related to food science. Each chapter's opening features include learning outcomes, reading prep, and key terms. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be obtained when the chapter is completed. Reading prep provides quick, easy activities to expand reading skills. Key terms list the vocabulary words to be learned in the chapter. Special features in this text build a connection with agriculture and STEM. Those include Farm Futures, which emphasize the connection of food science to agriculture. STEM Matters, which highlights science, technology, engineering, and math tools and techniques used in nutrient analysis and food production and processing. Relevant Research discusses current research or recent findings that relate to chapter content. Food features offer helpful information about the preparation and consumption of popular food products. Food facts tie chapter concepts to basic food preparation, storage, skills, and safety considerations. Going green raises awareness about food science issues related to sustainability and the environment. Nutrition News relates up-to-date information on nutrition to chapter content. Historical highlights give insight into important food discoveries and the scientific understanding of food. Illustrations designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. The end-of-chapter activities help reinforce and extend learning. They include Chapter Summary, which provides an additional review tool for you and reinforces key learning outcomes. Review and assess questions that are correlated to the main related learning outcomes. Check your understanding review questions that allow you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Core skills activities link chapter content to various academic subjects and to career expectations in the areas of reading, writing, and speaking. STEM connections reinforce STEM-related content through math, science, and technology activities. Chapter experiments allow students to draw conclusions based on text content and observations. Safety notes alert you to potentially dangerous materials and practices. Step-by-step procedures provide clear instructions for experiments. You can refer back to these procedures easily. Skills related to organization, record-keeping, interpreting data, and problem-solving are applied in conducting hands-on activities. The lab manual activities provide students with an opportunity for self-assessment as content is presented or assigned. The text experiments are included, plus 2 additional experiments per chapter. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about principles of food science for your course.